Okay, today we're going to look at the Baldwin B7449 oil filter. And you can get this at Rock Auto for $3.13. So let's get started. Except for it's supposed to get a get your inner ear filtration of 90 here. What's that? Medium. 99% filtration efficient. Okay, let's open her up and take a look at her. The date code 1116201106. It looks like an S. Okay, and this is made in USA. Let's see that. USA. That's seven inlet holes. And this is on here. It's on here decently. It's not on here great, but it fits on there pretty snug. Louvers. I see louvers. I see a bypass valve down there. And I'm not sure about the anti-drain back valve. It looks black to me. Nice tall filter. It's got a little bit of weight to it. Let's see what it weighs. .3 ounces. Okay, let's cut this baby open and see what she looks like inside. Okay, here she is cut open, and she fits some of your Chevy Equinoxes. I believe the V6s, and a variety of other vehicles, of course. Let's take a weight on that. 3.7 ounces for a base plate. It's a pretty good base plate. It's got about four threads there. Okay, the anti-drain back valve. This, I believe, is rubber. You bend it, it kind of holds its shape. Not very good if you got a filter that's mounted sideways. And they just got this little insert in there. I guess it's some kind of extension or something. But coil spring. Yeah, it's got a nice coil spring. These are nice. Keep everything nice and tight. And the can, let's measure the can. It's getting about 0.3, 0.4. Yeah. It's an okay can. It's a tall filter. You got a glue seam here with metal end caps. And a bypass valve here, which is set for 20 psi. The filter media has what I could find on it, has a filtration of 98.7% at 25 microns. And I'm guessing it's a synthetic blend media. I couldn't find anything, but it looks nice. It's nice. The pleats are nice. No excess glue or nothing. Got your louvers. I mean, it looks nice. Yeah, I say we open this up and see how long she is. Okay, well, here she is all stretched out. And she's 4 feet long. 48 inches. Not too long. Okay, well, here's the seam. And the filter media feels fine on this one. It's not a very long filter, but it's a nice filter. I mean, this is all nice and sturdy. Pretty well made. The only gripe I got about this one is the anti-drain back valve. But this is only a $3.13 filter, so I mean, you got the coil spring, which is nice. I mean, if you got a filter that mounts vertically like this, then you're all set. If you got a filter that mounts sideways, I wouldn't go over 5,000 miles, I guess. I don't care for these valves, but it is what it is. It's a cheap filter. It's only $3.13. They have it listed on Rock Auto as their standard oil filter, so it's not the economy brand. It's standard. Well, that's about it for this filter. Don't forget, every Friday is Oil Filter Friday. I put a new automotive oil filter on every Friday. So if you like this video, please hit the like, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and take care.